Hi everybody, I'm Sandeep Khandelwal, the head of business for Dr.Reddy's business in India. Happy to share today, our teams has created another Guinness World Record for building the largest brochure mosaic installation. This is part of our effort to shine a spotlight on a very important concept called glycemic happiness for patients living with diabetes. India is often referred to as the diabetes capital of the world with about 101 million diabetes patients. Diabetes is associated with complex social behavior, emotional and environmental factors which eventually affect the psychological well-being of persons living with diabetes and their therapeutic outcomes. Did you know that the common burden associated with diabetes is called diabetes distress? Diabetic distress is defined as an emotional response with extreme apprehension, discomfort or dejection, an inability to cope with the challenges and demands of living with diabetes. In India, approximately 42% of patients suffering with diabetes have high distress levels. A recent literature has reiterated the importance of happiness of persons with diabetes in improving their outcomes. Our teams have developed a tool to measure this concept called glycemic happiness, which we call the Glycemic Happiness Scale. In setting today's Guinness Book of World Record, our team's largest mosaic brochure installation in Hyderabad consists of feedback from multiple and thousands of healthcare professionals across India on the Glycemic Happiness Scale. It's a first of its kind initiative to create awareness of the concept of glycemic happiness among patients, doctors, and caregivers, drawing the attention to the role of psychosocial well-being in the management of diabetes. Over 30,000 patients have already benefited from this tool called the Glycemic Happiness Tool. It's been shared with around 7,500 HCPs. Heartening to note, around 88% of our HCPs also wholeheartedly agree that this tool has been really useful for the patients. This is not a one-time event for us. The Guinness World Record that we successfully completed is our way of shining a spotlight on type 2 diabetes, the importance of its management through standard of care drugs accompanied by attention to psychosocial factors such as glycemic happiness. We truly hope that this initiative makes a big difference to patients, doctors and caregivers, because truly, good health can't wait.